जिंदगी से बड़ी सजा ही नहीं।
के देखे ना भारे ना जाने ना दाए रे दिशाहारा के मन बोका बोंटा
पैसा मोरे लड़का गाना
अरे गाना नहीं यार, चुप रहो।
Yeah, this is my first show at Paddy Fields, and I was actually very nervous about it because it was all about folk and fusion, but it was unreal. I can't explain through words how amazing the audience reception was. Oh, it's a fantastic event that Nesco has organized, and this place, this premise where I am sitting, it's beautiful. I haven't seen a place like this in Bombay. It's very rare to find such a huge space, totally covered. And AC, duct, AC, everything is fantastic. I really had a blast to performing here, and I would really thank Nesco for giving me this opportunity.
कागज के दो पंख लगे उड़ा चला जाए रे जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चला है रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे ना जाने ना बाने ना पाए रे के सहारा के मन बोका मोंटा रे के मन बोका मोंटा रे।
मैं पहले शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ इनका, इन्होंने हमें बुलाया है, इस लायक समझा है, तो मैं अपने आप को खुशकिस्मत समझता हूँ। जिन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है मैं उनको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ और उनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मैं कहाँ से वो ज़बान लाऊँ उनके लिए कि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है हमें, उनके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Tabib aziyam saliye पावस दिल की हलिए ओ हलिए ओ हलिए
Nesco is doing such a great job in promoting music for the music lovers.
Paddy Fields is perhaps one of its kind in India.
My best wishes always.
Nesco, all the best, and you are bringing so many musicians together for the audience. So we really extend our heartiest wishes. Congratulations, Nesco, via the Paddy Fields Folk Fusion Festival.
मैं बहुत बड़ा शुक्रगुजार हूँ उनका कि हमारे बच्चों को हमें यहाँ पे बुलाया। हमारे भाईजान और भी कलाकार हैं, उनको सबको बुलाने के लिए मैं बहुत बड़ा थैंक्स और धन्यवाद, मैं उनका आभारी हूँ। और इंशाअल्लाह ताला मैं दुआ करता हूँ अल्लाह से, ऊपर वाले से कि अब हमेशा के लिए ऐसा करता रहे और हमें बुलाते रहो।
बंद करो बंद करो अरे बंद करो यार गाओ,
Paddy Field is doing a very, very important work, which is really promoting non-film music, where it's so important because it's the Bollywood, which I'm part of, and the non-film together, which forms India's great music tradition. And I think Paddy Field is really making non-film music interesting. This kind of a vision, I think, will go a long way in making this beautiful music of India so entertaining.
I'm really grateful and thankful to UNESCO for organizing this wonderful festival.
Thank you so much for making me part of this festival and especially bringing these songs of Himalayas to this festival. You know, I'm very, very grateful for that, and I really wish all the best.
We all crib and cry that we are losing out on identities, we are losing out on folk traditions. But what better way to preserve it than this festival?
I am very, very, very grateful that these are one of the companies in this country, the big companies, that are understanding that music, culture of this country also needs support and backing. And if companies like this, like UNESCO, stay with us, then we can highlight and showcase our culture to the whole world. So I'm very, very grateful for their involvement.
The Paddy Fields Festival has been very ambitious and unafraid to feature artists and musicians that people had never heard of. So over the last 2 years, Paddy Fields has demonstrated that it has the boldness to, and it's proven a success. I don't have enough words to express my admiration for UNESCO. They've put thought and vision into creating these set lists and creating this festival.
सजना दा सरनावा जिंदड़ी बेच जियारत अपनी यार दे नावे लावा मैं चिट्ठी पावा सजना नो मैं चिट्ठी पावा सजना नो बिच लफ्ज़ां दे अथरू भरोगे मैं चिट्ठी पावा सजना नो मैं चिट्ठी पावा सजना नो
The good thing about Paddy Fields is it's very inclusive. It takes into account folk that is unheard of, you know, like Kashmiri folk, Goan folk. It's never seen the light of day. It's always been like South Indian or North Indian, you know, there's this big divide, and maybe Rajasthani folk or Punjabi folk. But this time it's fabulous. There's this merging of styles. Paddy Fields, thank you for doing this. Thank you for curating such a fabulous festival and for putting India truly on the map. UNESCO, 10 on 10 or 11 on 10.
Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Everybody!
Come on, people. It's carnival time.
Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Everybody! Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache.